In this video, we will learn about Google Tag Manager and how to connect a Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. So what is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager is a tool which is using for install any code on your, if you want to install any code on your website, you just need the Google Tag Manager tool to install the code on your website. So suppose if you want to install a Facebook pixel code on your website, so you don't need go to the website backend, or you don't need any developer to install the code. So in this Google Tag Manager, you can manage all the codes in this location. So if you put all the codes directly on your website, the website will be slow, and that could be affect your business growth and also on your website traffic. Um, if your website becomes slow, the users and the traffics are returned from your website, and your downside will be increased. So that's the reason for if you put all the codes on directly on your website. So Google Tag Manager is that powerful tool if you use instead of directly put all the codes on your website. So Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool for how to start on Google Tag Manager. You just need a Google Tag Manager account for manage all the codes. To start an account, you go to the Google and type Google Tag Manager. After search the Google Tag Manager, you can see the Google Tag Manager result in the search engine result page. Just to click on Google Tag Manager, type Google Tag Manager. After search the Google Tag Manager, you can in this window you can find different accounts, because I am using different accounts in also in the Google Tag Manager. This is different from your Google Tag Manager maybe. So that's why this look like this. So here you can see a create account button. This is the button for create a new Google Tag Manager account. So here I am going to click create a account button. After click the create an account button, you can see a box which is account setup box, and you can give a name in this account name box. Then you can find a country, so choose the country which you want. Here I'm going to search India, so you can find India and select the India in this list. Then scroll down and you can see another box which is container setup. In this box you need to give your website name, like www.yoursitename.com. So give give the website name which you want to connect with your website, connect with your Google Tag Manager. So after give the name, you can see target platforms like web, iOS, Android, AMP, and server. Select the target platform which you want to connect with your GTM. So here I'm going to click on web because I want to connect the GTM to my website. So here I'm going to choose the web. If you want to connect your website, you can choose the web, or you can if you want to connect with iOS or Android app, you can both iOS or Android from this list. After connect to the web, iOS or any other platform, you can find a code from this Google Tag Manager like this. This is the code from Google Tag Manager. So and you can see some instruction in this box. So here I'm reading this instruction. Um, Paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So in this instruction, they are provided some instruction which is paste this code head of the website, and you can find another body tag in the below. Here they are saying paste this code after the opening body tag. So we need to paste the code on website in the first beginning stage. So we are going to install this code on website. After completed the process, you don't need to put any code on your website. You just using this Google Tag Manager instead of directly put the codes on your website. If you But the main problem is if you put all the codes, you can put all the codes on your website also. You can put or paste the Facebook pixel directly on website, or you can paste the codes directly on Google conversion tracking code, or any other code you can directly paste on your on your website. But that will be problem is that your website will be will be slow, or your loading time is increased. So that could be affect your traffic, or users may be returned from your website. So this is the right way for implementing the code on your website. So this is the first step. So I'm going to copy the code, go to website dashboard, and here we are going to using a plugin which is called WP Code Snippet. So for install the plugin, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. After click the plugin, you can see the page like this. So here we are going to search a plugin which is code snippet. After searching, you can find the snippet here. So here I'm already installed the code, installed the plugin now. So now I don't need to install the code, install the plugin again. So I go into the dashboard of WordPress website, and here you can find the installed plugin here. So this is the plugin. So here we are installed the code from Google Tag Manager. So I'm going to select the code and copy the header section code and go to WP code snippet and go to header and footer section. Just click on header and footer section, and we can find header, footer, and body section in this plugin. So in this header section, I'm going to paste the code. So this is the page for paste the code from Google Tag Manager. So after you paste the code, scroll down, and this is the body section. So paste the next tag from Google Tag Manager to WordPress dashboard. So and complete this process. Let's click on save changes. So after click on the button, you now successfully completed the process. So this is the way for integrate the Google Tag Manager to a WordPress website. So after you complete this process, let me check this is completed or not. So let me check. I'm going to open my website. So this is my website. So check my Google Tag Manager is installed correctly properly or not. So here I'm going to be using a extension which is called WP Tag Assistant LC. So for install the Tag Assistant LC, go into Google and search Google Tag Assistant LC extension. So this is Google Tag Assistant LC. You can install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. After you install the Tag Assistant LC, you can pin the extension from here. So this is my Google Tag Assistant LC extension. So I just click on this click on report button. After report button, I will go into refresh my website. After refresh my website, my plugin is code is updated. So I just click on the extension. So they will provide which tags are included in this website. So you can find website tag and Google Ads Solution tag and Google Tag Manager. So this is a tag which we are installed in our code now. So this is the way for Google Tag Manager integrate with your website. After you completed this process, you can install other code like Facebook Pixel, Google Ads tag, or Google Ads conversion tracking code, or any other G tag. You can Google Analytics. You can easily connect all the sources from this Google Tag Manager. So this is the right way for integrate any tools to your website with you don't need to any other developer or and skill or any other code skill in this. So this is the right way for implement the code in your WordPress website or any other website. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.